I want you to go straight to class today.
Why should I?
Because I said so.
Big deal.
You mind your manners, mister.
I don't have to. Bird face.
That does it. You're in trouble.
Oh, I'm just really scared.
Help you, ma'am?
Yes, officer. My son, Brian, is always late for school. Could you speak to him? Perhaps give him a little scare?
Certainly, ma'am. Hi, Brian. It's almost 800 hours. Time to deploy for school.
I'll go when I'm ready.
You're ready now, mister. Now move it, move it, move it!
Thank you, officer.
No problem, ma'am.